god. Wait, I don't want it inside of my car wash. Oh my god, I don't know what to do.
Oh shit! Oh, what the fuck? Oh my! Oh no! Bro!
Hello friends. Yes, that also happened to me. And no, I'm not talking about leaving the windows open or holes in the roof. This is another kind of neglect. Now hop in and let's go to the washing machine. In a pre-wash, the jets of water are pointed at the metal structures, so they might not cause an issue. In the second phase, a machine covers the car with detergent and then washes it off with a fixed jet of water that doesn't care if it goes under the bonnet or not. This is a high volume of water. If you have an issue, here is where it's going to happen. And we are so surprised that we go crazy. Some blame the machine, others start playing with the radio or the vents, believing they can stop the water coming in. But there's nothing you can do at this point. Just wait and dry everything when you get home. What you can do to avoid it happening again is the following. All cars have these vents at the top of the bonnet that help to cool the motor and channel the rainwater safely through drains down onto the street. To see these drains and their paths, we must remove this plastic cover. And to remove the whole cover, we also need to remove the windscreen wipers. On this side, water comes in along the window, through the windshield wiper holes, and through the sides, as well as the vents. Now, what we have here is a lot of leaves and earth that has accumulated over the years. This is what most probably is blocking the drains and forcing an overflow of water into the car. So we must carry out a deep cleaning, including the drains themselves. However, to reach the drains on this side, we have to remove the windshield wiper assembly, or anything else depending on your brand of car. Okay, I think I found the cause of the problem. In the car washer, the water comes down here falls here and should run down that hole over there. But as it was full of muck, leaves and earth and so on, surely the water started filling up here and then went over inside there, where that is where the air goes into the vent of the car, inside the car. So the water goes in there and started falling all over here. All this part here was completely full of water when washing the car. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pour water on here to see if it runs. If it doesn't run, it means we still have muck inside that tube or whatever that should take the water down out under the car and not inside it. So that's what we're going to do now. We would have to, if it still doesn't run, then I'll have to poke something in there, try to clean it up, a wire or whatever to eliminate whatever there is. Or I'm going to have to look for under the car where the water comes out and do it from that side. So that's what we're going to do now. As we can see, it's all gone, and it's all gone. And inside, there is nothing. And on the other side, the same thing. And inside the car, dirty as hell, but no water. These have these little things here that go under the glass. Glass must go in between here. And this here must catch on these. So it seems everything is going fine now. We're going to go and wash the car and we'll see what happens. According to this Renault guy, we should do this maintenance every 6 months. But of course, that depends on where you park your car, or if you live in the middle of a forest, or if you always use a car cover when you park your car. Just check regularly. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching, and please, if you can, subscribe to my other channel, Walking Parks and Beaches. I'm sure you'll love it.